Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel today. Today, we are using the paper pads from the box of the month for the month of July. So we're going to be using It's School Time as well as It's Apple Season. And we're going to make 4 cards using one really quick and easy layout. A great way to use up that pattern paper. So first we're going to take one of the 6x6 sheets and cut it to 4 and 5 1/4, and then you'll have 2 pieces of paper left over, or actually 1 piece of paper left over, and that's going to be cut down to 2 and 4 3/4. And so now you will have one little piece of paper left over, and I'm going to go ahead and mat all of these. And so my card panel, my main card panel is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then that pattern paper is 4 by 5 1/4, and then my smaller piece of pattern paper, as I mentioned, is 2 and 4 3/4. And since I am horribly bad at measurements, that white mat is about 1/8 of an inch bigger than the pattern paper. So whatever the measurement that turns out to be is what size the mat is. And so I'm going to go ahead and adhere all of my pieces, and I'm just going to go through this one card. All of the other cards are exactly the same, maybe a little bit different on some of them as far as where that extra panel is placed on the card. And for each card, I have cut out, I believe that's probably about 1.5 inch circle using a die from my stash. And I have grabbed 2 pattern pieces, more of a background pattern piece, and then one of the circles, the image is something from one of the pieces of pattern paper, but more like an object, so that there's kind of 2 background circles and then one that stands out a little bit more. And so I've done that for all of these cards, and so I'll go ahead and adhere those pieces down as well. And then the circle that has that ruler on it, I'm going to pop that up with a little bit of foam. And for the sentiments, I have taken a banner die set from my stash and cut those out. And both of these sentiments are stamped with some VersaFine black, and they are sentiments from one of the stamp sets that came in the box of the month. So here's the first card, and there is the second card with that really pretty kind of cubed pattern paper, and then the other 2 cards using the other pattern paper set. These sentiments are actually from a stamp set from my stash. The same layout, just really easy cards, really quick and easy. Those are always fun. And that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video, I would love a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Not Too Shabby channel so you don't miss out on any of the inspiration from the design team. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to catch you next time.